Okay, how to upload your video project to YouTube. So open up your Gmail. Here's my Mustangs media email here, Gmail. You're gonna click on the top over here, the top right, where it says waffle, where it looks like a waffle. Well, it's breakfast time. Click YouTube, and then it'll take you to your YouTube page. You're gonna click up here, the plus where it says create. You're gonna click that symbol, upload video. And then in there, you're going to find your video. I'm just going to find a random video I have online on my screen here. So go to downloads and then just find your video wherever it is. I have so many that I uploaded, so let me find one that belongs to me. If it's yours, sorry. If it's not, then well, let's see. Okay, I'll just find this. I'll just do this video here. One of these. Grab this one for now. It's not mine. So you upload it. Okay, select it. Click OK. And you're gonna title it. Okay, making a splash. And then I want you to write, here is my project for film class or film video class or whatever class you're in of my motion graphic. Sade, this is yours, I believe. I'm gonna borrow it. So here's my film project. Here's my project for my film and video class. For my film video class. Okay. Actually, I should say here's my motion graphic. I'm just like not into it. All right, here's my motion graphic project for my film video class, or if you're in TV production, TV production. Okay, making a splash is the name of it, and this is season 1, episode 6. And then pick a thumbnail, whichever one you want. Okay, then you're gonna select down here. You're gonna create a playlist and put assignments, because this is an assignment or project, whichever one you want, and you're gonna put it in there. Click in there. Okay. And then yes, it's made for kids, no age restriction. And then down here you could put tags in it, meaning so people can find it. You could put splash screen, comma, intro screen, comma, it's also called a vanity plate, comma. So any that you can think of, you create it in WeVideo, right? WeVideo, just add them in there, because the more you get, the more tags, the more views, hopefully, and maybe you'll make a little bit of money. And then video language, English, or whichever one you want to choose. Choose United States. It's in here somewhere. Where'd it go? U.S. English. Oh my gosh, I'm completely lost. Oh, here we go. And then no captions. And then click next. Okay, click next. You're good. You can add your screens, all that. We'll finish that later. Okay, how to do the ads, ending screen, and all that. So go ahead and make it public. You can actually schedule to when you want to post it, but we're not going to play with that now. Remember, we're just basically just learning how to upload it. Okay. So we're going to click publish, and then let it publish. All right, it'll process in the background. So go ahead and just, it should already be done because it's only 6-7 seconds, right? Your intro screen. Close it. And you posted your first video, if you haven't done it yet, to YouTube. Now to go check it, go to your top right, to your logo. Go to your channel, and you should be able to see it there. Okay, right there. And the next video, so there it is. So thank you, Sade, for letting me use your intro screen. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to post it to your blog, just using the share link. That's in this next video.